Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're always on the lookout for the best tools and products to make your life easier, then you're in the right place. Today, I want to introduce you to a game-changing super glue that will revolutionize the way you tackle DE projects and repairs. Introducing the Loctite 1364076 Super Glue Easy Squeeze Gel. This 14 ounces bottle of super glue liquid is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering a super strong final bond. Whether you're repairing broken ceramics, bonding metal and plastic, or fixing up woodwork, this super glue is up to the task. What sets this product apart is its control applicator, which provides additional accuracy when applying the gel. Say goodbye to messy, imprecise application with this super glue. You'll have the control you need for precision work. And here's the best part: the locking cap prevents the gel from leaking and drying out, ensuring that you get the most out of every drop. No more throwing away half-used bottles of dried-out super glue. But wait, there's more. This super glue dries clear, leaving a clean, professional finish on your projects. No more unsightly residue or visible globs of glue, just a seamless, invisible bond. So, if you're tired of dealing with subpar super glues that just don't cut it, it's time to make the switch to the Loctite 1364076. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to tackling your projects. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing super glue and take the first step towards making your DE dreams a reality. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more game-changing tools and products.